body of water below is called the tail vein or tail race, which here is actually the Colorado River. This is where the water drawn from hundreds of feet below the surface of Lake Mead spills out through the turbines and flows on downstream. The water temperature out of the turbines averages 53 to 55 degrees. You'll notice the roofs of both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The cantilever towers that support and direct the wires lean into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch the walls and cause a short circuit. Looking downriver midway on the canyon wall, you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is a valve house. There are 2 valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch gate valves. These valves allow